Hello YouTube Garage. Well, I'm working on my truck again. This is what I'm doing now. Well, I got the air compressor running in the background over there. I don't know if you can hear me or not though, but I'm taking the bolts out. There's the bolts. I got all the top ones loosened. I'm using a breaker bar and my little impact. Got the grill out. I'll be painting my truck tomorrow. That's my plan. So, went to the paint store and I got my plastic. Got that. Yeah, got that. I got my gun cleaner. I got, what did I get? I get 1501. Got my tack cloth and I got my etching primer because I got some rust. I guess you can hear me now. I got some rust on the back bumper. If I can get you in there. Ooh. Got all that rust right there. I'm gonna take the bumper off, etch prime all this in here. And the etch primer I got is etch fill primer professional. Got a quart of it. That's the etch primer I got to do that. So that's where I'm at now. So some air compressor stop, so I can get back to work. Show you again. Yep, I'm working on the truck again. But talk to y'all later.